To troubleshoot issues with a communal party feed that is not updating, start by opening your browser and navigating to the Extensions section. Click on the Manage Extensions button. Locate the communal party extension and remove it. Then, reinstall the extension to see if this resolves the issue. If the problem persists, you can try uninstalling the communal party software from your computer settings. To do this, open your computer settings, go to the Applications section, and click on Installed Apps. From here, locate the communal party software. Click on the three-dot menu, and select the Uninstall button. Alternatively, you can visit the communal party website to check for any available updates, which can be installed to potentially fix the issue. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve the problem and get your communal party feed up and running again.